one in the red box.
Yes.
I've done as a little example for you because I know that last week was a bit of confusion, and I got the answer for you there.
Oh, 100.
So can you see? Sorry, I should have made it more clear.
Let me see.
So I did.
Yeah. Let me see.
I did 6 times 4, and I halved that because I just found the area of the triangle.
Oh, I got it right too.
Yeah, you see?
I got 144. Because I
144, yeah.
12 times 2 is 24, and then multiply 24 by 6, and it's 144 squared. And cubed, yeah.
Yeah, cubed, yeah? Yeah, does that make sense?
Yes.
So all we do is we find the area of one of the faces, and then we multiply that by the length of the prism.
Yes. And then I done these ones too. So 6 times 2 is, that means 12, yeah. And then I done 12 times 24. No, 12 times 4, because the 4's here. And then, let me just do that quick. Times 4 is, yeah, it's 28. And then 28, and then 28 multiplied by 4, 32, 8, 11, 112.
Brilliant.
And then now, this one, I done 5 multiplied by 2, 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, and then 10 multiplied by 5 is 50.
Yeah, brilliant, really good.
And then for this one, I done 9 times 3 is 27.
Yeah.
And then multiply it by 4. And then
it's 108. Brilliant. Yeah. So I agree with every single one except this first one, number A, letter A, where we've got 6 times 2 is 12, and then 6 times 12 that should be.
Yeah, I done it here.
You did it over here?
Yeah.
12. So if I do 6 times 2, I get 12.
Yeah.
And if I do 12 times 4, I get 48.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Cool. Brilliant, really good.
Yes.
Okay. This next one, I know there's 6 of them. I didn't know how long my phone call was going to be. If you want to just pick a few and we'll keep doing them until you're comfortable with them.
Yes.
And then we'll go on to this compound shape next underneath.
Yeah, so
I'll move that out of the way.
So this 5, we're going to half it. 5 divided by 2 is, yeah.
Okay, so
5.
remember from the example above, we want to find the area first. So pretend that the rest of the shape isn't there and that we just want to find the area of this face.
Yes.
How would we do that?
So we need to half, because the triangle, you always half it. Because that's what I did for this one in the red box. I halved the 4, then I multiplied it by 12. So we need to half the 5. So 2.5 times 10.
You do a half times 5 times the 6.
Yeah,
my only concern is that if you half the 10 instead, like say you're just having an off day or you've not done it in a long time, and you half the 10, you will get a different answer, which won't be right.
Yes.
Whereas this way, if you think, right, the area of that triangle, I know is a half times the base times the height, so I'm going to do a half times 5 times 6.
Yeah.
Which gives me 15. And then in a separate step, you say, right, now the length, I need to do that 15 times the length, which is 10.
Yes.
So then I do 15 times 10 is 150.
Yes.
Happy with that?
Yes.
Okay, do you want to try B?
Yes. Okay, so 4. No, B over here, down here. Okay, so A, B. So 4 and 4. So this one, this is the height, the same as the 6, this 4, and this is the base. So we're going to half it, it's going to be 2, and then 2 times 6 is 12. 12, and then multiply it by 6 again. 4. Is it there? And then multiply it by 4. It's 48.
So 4 times 4, 24. Half it is 12 times 6 is 48. Brilliant. That's the same numbers as, oh no, it wasn't. It was the same as the square. Never mind.
Yeah.
Yeah? Happy with that?
Yes.
Brilliant. And then what about, you pick another one. Pick C, E, F or G, and we'll do one more.
G. C, yeah, G. So
G. Brilliant.
So we're going to half 8, so it's going to be 4. Yeah, and then multiply it by 9. It's going to be 36, and then 36 times 3.
Yeah.
This is let's do that. 18, 9, 10, 108.
108.
Yeah.
Okay, so half times 8 times 3 to find the area of the triangle. 8 times 3 is 24, half it is 12 again. And then 12 times the length, which is 9, gives me 36. So, oh wait, no, it doesn't. I'm totally lying. Gives me 90, 108. Yeah, so we're both in agreement. Brilliant. Yeah, really good. Okay, and then the last little thing that we did last week was we did compound shapes, like this one. Would you like me to do an example first?
Okay.
Yeah, and then I'll get you some questions for you to do. Okay, so step 1, split it into 2 cuboids and focus on one at a time. Yes. I will do the one on the right-hand side first. Right hand side first. So then I'm going to say, right, it's a cuboid. I think all the measurements are there.
Yes.
So I do 10 times 4. And then I need to multiply it by this length here, which I don't know.
Yes.
This one?
Yes. Okay.
So to find that, what I'm going to do is I can see that length of the longest side is 8. And the length of the shorter side is 3. So I'm going to times my 10 and my 4 by the difference between those sides to find out what the green section is.
Yes.
Yeah? Which is 5, same thing as times by 5. 10 times 4 times 5 equals 200. So that is that side. And then I say, right now I'm going to do the other side, the blue side. Let's draw that this side. And then let's do it in blue. So then I know I've got 3 times 7 to get the area of that face.
Yeah.
And then I need to times it by the length, which is also 10.
Yeah.
So 30 times 7 is 210.
Yes.
And then if I add them together, I get 410. Yeah, so the hardest part, in my opinion, is working out what that green length is, because sometimes you don't always get the all the information?
Because all you can do to find the green is you can get the 3 and then subtract it by the 8, you get 5. Yes.
Yeah. Brilliant. Right, I'm going to get you some questions like that one. We'll do 2. How do you feel about volumes? Yeah, good?
Yes, good.
Good. They're not too bad. It's just learning all the steps. There's just loads of information to learn, isn't there?
Yes.
Coming from above. There you go. 2 questions.
Okay. So first you're gonna. Let's put this book away. So first, do that. So and 9. So it's gonna be 9. Then and then that's 9, and then after 10. Time, yeah. 3. Times 10. Equals.
Brilliant. Really good.
Equals. No, 8 times 3, I mean. 8.
Yeah.
8 times
You've got it. You've got it.
and then equals to 8 times 3 times 5. Okay, so 8 times 3 is 24. 24. Um, 120 for this one.
For that side, so quick maths.